Now we are going to discuss how to convert an integer into string and a string into integer. So first of all, let's see how to convert an integer to a string. So I have included this library so that I can use STL, and let's suppose the output string is initialized to null. Then we have integer temporary, which has the value 404, and uh, now I have I have appended output to string temp. So we have passed temp, which is an integer, into the function toString, which converts it into a string. Now to append this string into the output string, we use dot append. So we can do one more thing, is output equals to toString, and we will pass temp. So this should give this should make output equal to 404, and this again appends temp. So now the output should become 404 404. So let's see, when we run this code, we get the output has now become 404 404. So this is how we convert an integer into a string. Now moving on to converting string to integer. So we have a string that is 987654321. So these are this is 9 digits long. So it can easily fit into the integer values. So we have int answer1 equals s2I, that is string string to integer. Similarly, we have long int answer2, which is equal to s to l. S to l is string to long, and stoll is string to long. So in this case, we have only 9 digits, so we get answer 1 2 3, all the 3 values. So what happens when this value has now become 11 digits long? That is, this value is greater than the value which can be stored into an integer. So when we run this, we get an error. Output is out of range. So as it is longer than integer, we can't do this. So now see if it works for s2l and s2ll. As we can clearly see that it has worked for long integer and long integer. So whenever you are converting a string into an integer, please make sure that it fits into the value of integer, and if not, use long int, and if you think it is a way too big of a number, then store it in long int. And thank you for watching.